We are living in uncertainty. Cyber attack not only targeted at military installations, but also attack at banking, organization, ministries, and they ask for ransom. First is operation readiness. This is very pertinent to all armed forces. I can say so much about what I want, what my desire to be, my desirable end state. But operation readiness is something that we desire and it is achievable. This is the profession that you cannot dictate your time. We are beyond conventional warfare now. Beyond conventional warfare. Conventional warfare will be subset of the actual warfare in the future. Then now, you also have VUCA. What is VUCA? Volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. Once upon a time, we are very certain what is ahead of us. We can plan 5 years ahead, 10 years ahead. Now we wake up in the morning, new things happen. We've been hacked, one nation between two friendly neighbors shooting at each other. They suddenly, one of the leaders of the world announcing so and so forth. Everything that happened will impact to anybody else.